Enjoying good food with amazing company is one of the greatest pleasures of life. Sugar sweetens, preserves, and enhances the flavor of food. The issue is, sugar is everywhere, added to the most unlikeliest of all foods. A diet high in sugar has been associated with a wide range of health conditions. Conditions arising directly, for example, diabetes, pancreatic issues, liver disorders, or indirectly, for example, tooth decay and obesity. We have discussed this earlier in this channel, in another video. If you want to know more, click on the video being suggested to you. A form of sugar that should be especially avoided is refined sugar. It is instead recommended that you choose natural sweeteners when you are craving something sweet. It will be wise to experiment with natural substitutes for sugar and find out which suits you best. If you are already diabetic, please watch our recommendation for you at the end of this video. Before we continue, please support the channel grow by subscribing and sharing with your friends. In this video, we will look at the natural sugar alternatives for refined sugar. While these natural substitutes also contain sugar, they are not just empty calories. Number 1. Raw honey. Raw honey is one of the best natural sweeteners. Pure raw honey contains amino acids, electrolytes, antioxidants, antimicrobial compounds, and trace minerals. It is important to understand that pasteurized honey does not offer any health benefits. You can also look for special raw honey, collected from specific plants like lavender, moringa, eucalyptus, etc. Number 2. Coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is produced from the sap of the coconut tree. The sap is boiled to evaporate the liquid, leaving behind the granulated sugar. The sugar contains few nutrients including iron, zinc, calcium, potassium, and antioxidants. It looks like brown sugar and has a deep caramelized flavor. Coconut sugar is relatively high in fructose. The key difference is, it is not just empty calories. Number 3. Date syrup. It is made by boiling chopped dates in water and squeezing the syrup out of the date puree. The syrup can then be reduced by boiling to achieve desired consistency. It is considered one of the healthiest natural sweeteners. Since dates have lower glycemic index, it is also recommended for diabetics. Number 4. Jaggery. Jaggery is a completely unrefined sugar, and can be made from sugar cane, or palm sap. The sap is boiled to form a thick paste, and the molasses are not separated. Jaggery contains more nutrients than refined sugar, because of its molasses content. It is quite popular in Asia and Africa. Palm jaggery is comparatively richer in nutrients, but also rarer compared to the cane jaggery. Number 5. Stevia. Stevia is a plant extract, and a no-calorie all-natural sweetener. It is much sweeter than refined sugar. However, it leaves an aftertaste. All the natural sweeteners do contain sugars, along with other nutrients. However, if you are diabetic, it would be recommended to altogether avoid sugars. In this instance, stevia may sound interesting for you. There are many other natural sweeteners including maple syrup, molasses, golden syrup, and many more. Do you have other favorite natural sweeteners? Comment below, and let us know your recommended option. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends. And if you are new here, consider subscribing, for more tips and home remedies. Stay healthy and happy always.